Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I'd like to impart very important topic from our subject, that is strategic management, strategic planning, and process of strategic planning. Let's see what is strategic planning. Strategic planning is a process in which organizational leaders determine their visions for the future and to determine their objective for the organization. Yes, guys, strategic planning, I already told you in so many videos of my strategic management subject. That is, it is nothing but a long term planning. It is a long term planning technique ideas to beat the competitors. Strategic planning is generally a process in which top level or higher authorities decides what to do, when to do, how to do, and how to get success. They always keenly focus on attaining organizational objectives on time. Their objectives may be rendering services to the public or profit maximization and so on. But they keenly focus on attaining it on time. So it is a process in which organizational leaders, that is top level management people, or sometimes middle level management may also take place. That is production manager, sales manager, HR manager, finance manager, advertising manager, and so on. So again, I want to say in small, that is few limited point, it is a process in which organizational leaders determine their visions for the future and to determine their objective for the organization. Next, process of strategic planning. For everything, there is a process. For getting admission into the college, there is a process. You need to get pass mark in 12th standard. You need to get application for the college, and you need to fill up the application. You need to submit to the college. They will verify your application. They will call for interview. Based on your performance, they will give course to you: BBA, BCom, BSc, chemistry, physics, whatever it may be. Similarly, for strategic planning also, you cannot do planning blindly. There is some process. Let's see the process of strategic planning. Mission, objective, situation analysis, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, strategy control. Point number one, mission. A mission statement defines the company business, its objectives, and its approach to reach its objectives. A mission statement has some certain desirable components. An ideal mission statement of business should define its customers' product or services, markets, technology, philosophy, and self-concept. Yes, guys, mission very important factor for any organization or any institution for anything, because in mission only you are describing what is your ultimate objective, why your organization, why your institution has been established. It is very important point. Here you will define your objectives. Here you will define your services, your intention, your focused area clearly. So mission is very important point for any organization. Point number two is objectives. Objectives or goals or targets may be defined as those ends which organization seeks to achieve by its existence and operations. The strategic manager has to focus on objectives of the company while preparing strategic plans. Yes, guys. Objectives sometimes can be termed as goals, targets, Even we can say aim. What is objective? It is last point, final point. Sir, my objective is to become a manager, sir. That is final point, sir. I want to become manager, sir. Sir, my objective is to complete MBA, sir. Last degree, MBA degree I want to do, sir. Similarly, for organization also, there will be objective. Attainment of objective is very important factor for any organization. It is an end point. So being a strategic manager, you have to focus on your actual objectives of the company while preparing strategic plans. You need to do planning based on your organizational objectives. That should be a base point, fundamental point, blueprint. Once you fixed your objectives, then planning everything can be done easily. So the process of strategic planning, before you do planning, you need to focus on point number 1, mission, point number 2, objective. Now point number 3, situation analysis. Situation analysis refers to those analyses by which a strategic manager analyzes the solutions to a particular problem based on the situation. Yes, guys. Whatever the situation come, being a strategic manager, you need not to worry about the situation. Your duty is to find the solution for that particular problem. Problems will come and go. Daily new problems will arrive. Being a management candidate, being a strategic manager, being a manager of the organization, your duty is to face the problem, to bring out the solutions for the problem, to solve the problem. This will be your ultimate duty. So you need to analyze what is the situation of the organization, current scenario, current problem. That is very important point for any strategic manager. So before doing strategic planning, what you have to do? You have to focus on mission, objectives, situation analysis. Now point number 4, strategy formulation. A strategic manager should formulate various strategies to solve a problem which arises in the organization. Yes, guys, being a strategic manager, you need to solve the problem by putting various strategies, various alternatives, various options will be there. For any problem, there will not be only one reason. For any problem, there will not be only one solution. Please understand this. If one employee absent for the company, the problem will be health issues? No. Traffic problem? No. Family problem? No. Then what is the answer? Anything. So there cannot be only one answer for one problem. What is the solution, sir? If we give high salary, he will come to the company daily? We cannot say. If we give high position, he will come to the company daily? No answer. If we give full freedom to him, he will come to the company daily? No, we cannot say. So what is the solution, sir? There cannot be only one solution. So what we want to do, sir? Being a strategic manager, you need to identify the problem, plus you need to solve the problem. How you will identify and solve the problem? By putting various strategies. Whatever the point you have selected to solve the problem, that should get success. That is what very important factor, that is planning. Being a strategic manager, you need to plan which formula, which option will help us to get success, to solve the problem, which point will help. That you need to identify first. So that is what it is called a strategy formulation. So for doing strategic planning, point number 1, mission, point number 2, objectives, point number 3, situation analysis, point number 4, strategy formulation, and point number 5 is strategy implementation. Yes, sir, I have selected one point, sir. If we do this, definitely problem will solve. That you need to do practices, implement actions. After formulating various strategies, the strategic manager needs to implement those strategies which will lead to attain the objectives of the organization. Yes, guys, you already formulated, you already selected some points to implement to solve the problem. Under strategic implementation, you are doing practices, you are doing action. Practically, you are doing. This is very, very important stuff. If you do any mistake, then again you need to come from point number one: mission, objectives, strategy analysis, strategy formulation, strategy implementation. Why? Because everything wrong. If implementation went wrong, you need to check from right from first point. That is what very, very important point is: strategy implementation. So implementing, practicing, putting into action, you need to be very, very careful and strong. And last point, point number six, strategy control. After implementing a strategy, the strategic manager needs to control the strategy and all the levels of management towards the objectives of the organization. Yes, guys. Once strategy implemented, the strategic manager, what has to do? He need to control the strategy in all the levels of the organization. Whether our ideas, whether my strategies are followed by top level management, middle level management, low level management. Being a strategic manager, your duty is to control, to monitor, to focus, whether everything is going as per the plan or not. If you don't have proper control, then everything you lost. If you have better control, then everything you gain. So every point plays very, very important role in management. So guys, just I would like to highlight the points again: strategic planning process, mission, objectives, situation analysis, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, strategic control. By focusing on all these points, then only you can make a proper strategic planning to get success or to achieve organizational objectives. Yes, thank you very much. Next thing we'll discuss in next video. Wish you all the best.